Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm excited to guide you through the process of seamlessly connecting ZERODHA with QuantPower so you can trade fearlessly. Let's dive right in. First, log into QuantPower. Now go to Broker Setup. Make sure ZERODHA TOTP is set up. If it's not there, set up TOTP. Now open this in New tab. Enter your details, email and password. Now click on Create New ID. Enter app name. Copy this link and paste it here. Enter your client ID. Now enter description. Press create. Now write I understand. Now click show API secret. Copy the API key and API secret key and paste here. Click add ZERODHA. Now just log in and you are good to go. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading!